Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, my students. Today we have a new sound. Okay, our learning objectives for today, we are going to identify the new sound, then we are going to recognize the sound, then we are going to write the sound in 4 lines. Number 4, we are going to blend and segment sounds. Wow, too many sounds here. Can you do the sound song that I taught you? Yeah, with the action, please. Very good. Now let's identify the new sound. Look at this picture and listen to the story. One day in a very nice village, there was a boy who liked to run every day. While the boy was running, he saw a very big van that carried violence. The boy was waving to the vet and he said, "Hello." Okay, so today we have the sound V, village, vet, vase, violent, van, vest. He was wearing vest. Okay, now my students, you are going to look at these pictures again, listen to these words and repeat, please. Okay.
Recording 4.31. Look, listen and repeat. Village, vet, vase, van, violin, vest.
Okay, look, my students, to the action for the sound V, violin. Okay, now it's time to listen and chant.
Unit 4. Recording 4.32. Listen and chant.
Village, rat, vase, van, violin, vest.
Now it's your turn, my students. Stand up.
Unit 4. Recording 4.33. Now you chant.
Village, vet, vase, van, violin, vest. Okay. Now, my students, it's time to recognize the sound. Listen and repeat. Follow and circle. What's this? Vest. Very good. And here, what do we have? Violin. Yeah. Huh? Village. Number 3, vase. Okay, and number 4, vest. Okay, now listen to this word, follow and circle. You are gonna to circle the sound v, as you can see here for violin. Okay, listen.
Unit 4, recording 4.34. Listen and repeat. Follow and circle v. 1. Violin. 2. Village. 3. Vase. 4. Vest.
Okay, so here in village we have the sound v, and here we have v for vase, and here v for vest. Okay, now my students, how can we write the sound? Huh, my students? From which line? Line number 1? No. Line number 2? Yes? Yes, very good. Line number 3? Yeah, so from line number 2 till line number 3, like this. Down, up, up, up. Okay, again, let me choose another color. Down, up, like this. Down, up. Okay, it's very easy. Yeah, it's look like number 7 in math. Very good. Okay, so here we have down, down, up. Okay, you will start from dot. Now find and circle then match right and say, look here. What do we have here, my students? Is this v? No. This is ga. Very good. What about this? Da. What about this? Very good. So we are going to circle. Then where is the word with v? Here. So you are going to match it. Then you are going to write the missing sound. This is what? Van. So here we are going to write the sound v. What about this? Look at this man. What? What is it? What's this? Vet. Very good. Where's v from here? This one. Very good. So match it with this picture and then write the sound v for vet. Very good. What about this? What is it? What did we say? Vest. Very good. So here, and then we are going to circle the sound and match it with this picture, vest. Okay? Good. Now, my students, it's time to blend sounds and read the word. Look at the first one. Who can blend these sounds? My students. Very good. Together. Van. Very good. So we are going to match it with the word van. And then with the picture. Where is the picture for van? Yeah, very good. Now look at the second one. A man. Excellent. Where's the word man? The first one. What does it mean, man? Yes, which picture? The last one. Excellent. What about this? Pan. Where's the word pan? Yeah. Where's the picture for pan? Now let's check our answer. Listen to these words.
Unit 4, recording 4.35. Listen, match and say. 1. in, van. 2, m, a, n, man. 3, p, a, n, pan.
Okay. Now, my students, look at these words. Can you read it? Cat. Very good. The second one. Rat. Huh? Hat. What can you notice here? Yes, all of them, they have these two sound. At, very good. And what is the different? The different sound is the initial sound. Here we have k, here we have here we have h. But all of them, they have at. So cat, rat, hat. Can you give me another word with at? Pat, very good. And bat, excellent. Now, let's see here. What do we have? A man, van, pan, huh? What can you notice here? Yes, we have an here. Excellent. And an. Can you give me another word with an? We have man, van, pan, huh? Ran. Very good. What else? Hmm, Can. Excellent. Okay. Now look here. T, tin, pin, bin. And here we have pin. Can you give me another word with in? Huh, my students? Try. Chin. Very good. Excellent. Chin like this. Chin. Cha. Then we have e. Chin. Okay. Chin. Like this. Yes? Very good. So that's all for today. Goodbye.